Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video of SAP 2000. If you're already connected with us, then you know that we have created that grid line as per our plan. Okay, as per that plan, and that is a real project plan. And we have defined our materials properties also. Now in this lecture, we are going to define our section properties. So we are starting, and before starting, I'm just requesting you, if you are a civil engineer, and also if you're new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever first. So first of all, we'll come here, section properties, then frame section. Okay, then frame section. So I'll click here, I'll click add new properties. So I'll simply click add new properties. Now which types of section we want to add? We want to add concrete properties. Okay, so that is concrete. And actually which types of section we want to choose from here? I'll choose from here rectangular. Okay, so from rectangular, what will be actually, first of all, it will be beam b 10 into 13. So I'll consider that the first section of our beam will be 10 into 13. Okay, our first section. And here, what will be the depth? Okay, what will be the depth? Actually here, if we see here, the unit are in feet, right? Unit are in feet. So I'll copy that, I'll cancel that, and I'll change unit. Okay, I'll also cancel that, and from here I'll just simply click LV inch so that I can define materials property perfectly. So after changing that, I'll just again go define, then section properties, and here the frame section. Okay, so I'll click add new properties, and from here concrete, rectangular, and I'll just write here b 10 into 13. So here what will be the depth? 13, and the width will be 10. Okay, when here it's done, now we'll select materials property. From here, what we'll select, this is our materials property 3000 psi. Okay, our materials property is 3000 psi, and property modifier, this is most important part of that structure. Okay, so actually how we'll change that property modifier as per our design code. Okay, as per our design code, you know that, and you can change that as per your requirement. Okay, you can change that as per your requirement, but I will not change at now, and I will just add that video that how we'll change the frame property or stiffness modification factor. Okay, as per different types of design codes, I will just give you that. I will discuss about that topic perfectly in another video, and I will just add that in our description. So please check that, and you will be able to identify that, and you will be able to use that option perfectly. So I'm just giving OK. When it's done, now we will just go here, section properties. You can select here for section properties, so you can see here every properties are available. Then here time dependent properties. Okay, so here you can select that if you require that. So I'll just click OK. After that, concrete displacement. So this is the most important part, as we are using beam. Okay, so I'll select beam from here. Okay, beam M3 design only. Okay, for M3, what is the meaning of M3? Moment 3. Okay, it will consider M3 means moment 3, that will consider, and for column, that will consider P M2 M3 design. Okay, and here the concrete cover to longitudinal river, also that will be 1.5, and also for bottom 1.5. Okay, so when it's done, and the reinforcement overlays for ductile beam, so I'll not use anything here, and from here the mast we have to select our reinforcement bar section. I'll just click add, then from here I'll just use F5 60 KSI, then OK, and apply, then 60 KSI, then okay. Actually this is already in 60 KSI. Okay, both are in 60, so that is 60 and this is also 60. So when it's done, then I'll click okay. So this is our beam, then I'll click okay, and again I'll take a copy of it, just add new copy of it, and everything will be same. I'll just change B 10 into 13, 10 into 15. Now I'll just take 10 into 15. Okay, so it's okay. Now I'll just click okay. So this is a two beam, and I will take now columns. Okay, so again add new properties, and from here concrete, then rectangular, and here I will take the section 12 into 15 into 12. Okay, so as the section 15 into 12, and it will be column 15 into 12, right, or 12 into 15, it's better. 12 into 15, actually it's look like good. So when it's done, 15 into 12, after that the reinforcement, I mean our materials, that will be 30 psi, and set modifier will told you something sometimes ago, so that will be the same. And here concrete, and it's okay. And what will be the type? Rectangular, then it will be type. Okay, so it's done. After that, clear cover for confinement bar 1.5, it's okay. Number of longitudinal bar along 3 or face 3, and it's 5. Okay, and the longitudinal bar size, that is 9. So I'll just use here, I'll use okay bar size, that is number 6 bar. Okay, and if need, we'll change that. And for confinement bar, I will use 3 bar. Okay, so I think that's okay. And reinforcement to be designed, it's also okay, then okay. So when everything is okay, now I'll click okay, and after that 10 into 15, 10 into 15. So this is the actually this is 12 into 15, this is the column, and again I'll just take a copy of it, and this is the C, it will be C 12 into 18. Okay, and depth will be 18, and it will be 12, okay, inch. So everything is okay. Now I'll simply click okay, and we can take another section, but I will use the 2 section because our structure is a light structure, you know that, only G+3 structure. So okay, so our that is okay. Now we'll again go for section properties, and we'll go for area section, right? We'll go for area section. So I just click here, and what will be that? Actually shell, plain or solid, so it will be shell, and add new section. Okay, it will be new section, and shell thin, it will be thin, and section name slab 5 inch. First of all, we'll consider 5 inch. Okay, and show, you can change that, I will not change it. Okay, so thickness, that will be 5, and also that will be 5, and our the materials name, that will be, I mean materials, that will be 3000 psi. So when everything is okay, all right, now we can go here, show the shell design parameter. So from here materials, you can for river materials, you can select that, and the river layout option default 1 layer or 2 layer, we'll use default because it's required. Okay, so I'll just click okay, and here the set modifier, if we need to change modifier, we can change from here, but I'll not change modifier at now. And I have told you another lecture, I will just show that how we'll use modifier perfectly. for our, I mean, as per different types of codes. So it's okay, it's okay. It's actually done. Or we have defined section properties. Okay, we have defined all types of section properties perfectly for frame section, for area section. So it's done actually. So in our next lecture, I'll just show that how will analysis masters, then different types of load pattern. Okay, different types of load pattern, and after that we'll finally draw our structure. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.